Question. So in a practical scenario, how does eFarm Direct work today? Answer. Currently the farmer is sending it to a local mandi person or an agent. So most of the time he is within, say, a short distance of 15 to 20 minutes. So once it comes to eFarm Direct, a portal where the whole world can now start buying from the farmer, the question will arise, so if I sell to somebody in the city too far away, how do I get the payment? How does the delivery happen? Who takes the entire responsibility? Practically what is going to happen is the farmers and the buyers, once they are putting their addresses, initially most people would still be comfortable about dealing with the person who is geographically closer to them. So we have provided the search facility where you can actually say, show me buyers and show me sellers who are within only say 1 or 2 hours of driving radius from where I am located. So now that so many buyers are there, so the farmer still gets the choice. At the same time, he can physically go and verify with the buyer whether he is comfortable about dealing with it. So end of the day, what we are saying is eFarm Direct is still something like, say, a matchmaking portal or a marriage, a matrimony kind of portal, because we are bringing the bride and the groom together, exchanging the information, but at the end of the day, the marriage has to happen only between the buyer and the seller. So the final deal happens between the two parties. So we strongly request both the buyer and seller to actually get to know each other a little better before finishing the transaction. That is why we are also giving more time. We are actually showing when the farmer is sowing his seed, when he is expecting the harvest, so they have a good 2 to 3 months of time to physically visit each other or get to know each other, especially since these transactions are going to be in bulk. Second, in the same village, you not only have one farmer, you have several farmers growing the same produce. So that way you can nicely locate a particular point, you can set up a small collection point. These are all things which will highly minimize the risks which are typically involved in large party deals. So this is basically how we eventually see it unfolding in the coming days.